Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hello friends, welcome to Hazra Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to make a intro from online. So if you are a YouTuber, intro is very important for you. So let's watch this video till end and please subscribe to my channel. For make your online intro, at first you need to open your Google Chrome and type here flixpress.com video intro maker. When open this page, you can see this surface. Here you can see registered users number, video created number and the production value. Here you will get here free trial and here register or login. So we are going to get free trial. Here we need to register. We are registering from Google account. After registering my Google account, you can see this surface. After registering this, you can get this surface. Upgrade and over 35 templates for the less $1 per month. But don't touch on this. Paste the pre-plan templates and you can get here your templates, something like them. I am using this template for example. You can get here something like this and customize now. Now you can change its color, top line, bottom line, write your own top and bottom line, and you can put here what to say, or you can say this your tagline or your channel's name. This resolution 360p or 720p, and you can put here your voice. So we are selecting here purple and top line is Hazra Tech. The bottom line will be stay happy, stay creative. So now we're not we put the voice here, so we put the resolution 720p and submit order. Or here you can see make preview instead and here place order. So click here place order. You can see my order is been placed and here click here view my orders. You can see here some orders and here it is my order. Click on it and you can see this surface. And after watching your intro, press on it and press this three dot. Here you can see this download button. Press here and you can see it is now downloading. And after some time it has been downloaded. it's been downloaded. You can see here. So friends, how this video is, if you like this video and if this video is helpful for you, please give me one like and subscribe to my channel. Stay happy, stay creative.